World of Women, let there be no confusion. World of Women is a top 5 project in the entire space. How epic that is, right? I think that diversity and inclusion makes everything better. And I think Web3 has no gatekeepers. This is something people don't understand. The blockchain, nobody owns it. These are servers that are decentralized. So unlike remember how everybody in here and everybody in the world's hot about the algorithm? You're hot. Fuck Facebook, fuck Instagram. TikTok's not putting me on. NFT land there is nothing. It's you and your audience. And whether you're black, brown, pink, orange, boy, girl, alien, this time you've got nobody to blame. Decentralized. If you're not popping, that's you.
That's your fault.
That's your fault, Leo. And so I'm very excited, but I do think beacons of the industry, you know this, Mike, I have been purposefully and thoughtfully doing extra homework 6, 7, 9 months ago on female-led projects because I want to pull people up. My mom's my hero. She's a girl. She's my fucking hero. So that's what I want to do. And somebody else might want to do it for Native Americans or the indigenous people or white dudes. Do you? Or by the way, I want to pull up Jets fans. If you're a Jets fan up here, DM me. I will support your project more. Like people, but it's exciting. And I think there's a lot of good, very healthy combos around this. And I see a lot of good stuff brewing.